Whoa! What is that? There it is.
There it is. Record it over there on the side.
Should I roll up my window?
Record it over on the side. Record it coming across.
I am.
Brett, put the thingy around your arm.
It's a good idea.
This is scaring me, Daddy.
I'm gonna close the window right when it gets here. Should I get outside?
No.
Record it on the side, man. Record it on the side.
It is going so incredibly fast.
Oh my gosh, Brett, turn up the window.
It's right there! I'll tell you when to drive. No. It's not close.
Go. Go.
Oh my gosh, there it is! Go! Go! It is very fast! It's faster than I thought. Look how fast it's going. It's catching up. It's on the side. It's gonna get us! Ah! It's right on top of us. Go. Go inside. I am. No, go. Just keep driving. It's right there. Go. Faster. It's getting windy.
Oh my gosh. Daddy, roll up your window. It's in here.
Go. It's behind us. Drive. There it is. Floor it. Oh my gosh. What is this? What is it? What is this creation? Oh my gosh, here it comes. It's getting really windy. Oh, there it is. Yeah, my.
Look at this. It's pitch black dark. It's the end of days.
Look at that! I'm recording this. This is amazing.
Daisy, get that eye.
This is amazing! Look at it! Ah. No, you want to come outside. Look at it. You should have seen it coming. I recorded it. It's hurting me. Look at it! It's beautiful! Yeah. It's amazing!
Check it out! Hey, I can barely see your house. Oh my!
I know, walk backwards. I don't know what's going on. You should have seen it coming. It looks like an angry dust storm of death and destruction. It is going so incredibly fast.
Hey, look, you're getting to the house.
What is going on here?
Can you see better in the camera?
I can't see past that tree.
No. Yeah, you can't see. Wow,
This is worse than fun. I can't see my house.
I can.
You run over here. I got here in my truck, and then the second I got it, was like, it was amazing.
Did the storm hit you?
Yes, it did. It hurt my feelings.
That person driving.
I know. Everybody was trying to get in the neighborhood. We were like, go. I was freaking out on camera. I'll show you later. What is going on here?
Why did your parents allow you to run over here during a dust storm?
Want to know the funny part?
What?
It's daytime.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. This is like Mars.
I mean, it's going down, but it's still day. The sun's
No, it's pretty worse. Is it getting even worse?
Yeah.
The sun's right there.
It should be.
My eyes.
Ah. I'm scared to look.
Yeah, it's going there.
This is called the beginning of the most amazing storm I'll probably ever see in my life. It was so bright and day. Ah! It's really windy.
Okay.
And there goes your trash can. Okay.
It's a little windy.
Just a little bit.
You know the sun's still up, right?
Yeah, well, kinda. Alright, I'm gonna stop recording.